How to do video and text opening transition in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Drag the video into the track above. Now go to Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text into the bottom track and timeline and adjust its duration. Now select the video and open the Inspector panel. Set Composite Mode to Multiply. Now select the Text and under Title tab, change its properties to your liking. Now move the playhead to where you want to start, zoom into the text, and with Blade tool add a cut. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom to text to be completed and add a cut to the video and the text. With the Selection tool, select the last part of the text and remove it. Select the second part of the video, and change Composite Mode to Normal. Now select the second part of the text and click on Settings tab. Here just enable Dynamic Zoom. Now at the bottom of the viewer, click on the drop-down and select Dynamic Zoom. Click on the Swap button in the inspector. Move the red box to where you want to zoom into text. Make sure that the red box is small enough so there are none of the black parts in it. Also, to smoothen the zoom, set ease to ease in and out. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.